In the bustling Los Alamos settlement outside Lima, Peru, this sign screams out, "Necesitamos ayuda," it says. We need help. That's because this community and much of Latin America is suffering from dual impacts of the coronavirus pandemic, sickness and hunger. The UN Food Program warns that more people like these lining up for emergency food distribution in Lima will be plunged deeper into poverty. These are the scenes as the economy collapses and jobs and incomes vanish. The UN says at least 14 million people across Latin America could face food shortages due to the pandemic, and 30 million more could become impoverished. The World Health Organization says the worst crisis of the pandemic is currently centered in the Americas. Brazil ranks second in the world after the U.S. with more than 33,000 COVID-19 cases and 27,000 deaths. And Peru is now 12th with more than 141,000 infections and 4,000 fatalities.
South America has become a new epicenter for the disease. We've seen many South American countries with increasing numbers of cases, and clearly there's a concern across many of those countries.
As jobs have vanished and food has grown scarce in Lima's Los Alamos settlement, residents are sharing staples in this outdoor kitchen. People like unemployed waitress Maria Estrella plead for help and volunteer to help others.
No teníamos que darles de comer a nuestros hijos y teníamos que organizarnos de esta manera para poder, aunque sea, llevar un plato de comida para nuestros hijos mismos.
Miguel Barreto, the World Food Program's Latin American Regional Director, offers this understatement for the crisis. We're entering a very complicated stage. He says there is no precedent for what is happening. For Newsy, I'm Peter Hecht.